Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Kamrul and today I am going to show you how to translate your video for free using AI. Whether you are a content creator, a business owner or just someone who want to reach a global audience, this video is for you. Let's get started. Now go to Bidnos, you will get this link in the description box and you will translate 140 plus languages with a natural voice clone and preserve authentic speaking style. So if you have a video file, you can upload video file from here. And if you have a video link, like for example, YouTube video link, you can paste YouTube video link here. So I have a video file, Chinese video file. I will translate this Chinese video into English. So click upload the video. I upload this video. Now select the original language. This video language Chinese. Select the Chinese and output language English. If you want to subtitle, so select it and lip sync. It's a premium, so it's a better version. I don't select it. Now proofread video script. Select it's by default is selected, and now click on translate now. Wait few minutes, then it will be complete. Now click again translate now. Okay, translate completed. Now you can see this translate video from here.
In the past few days, I decided to go to Beijing to visit some strange people. This is the result of my first day. Small sausages. You know that there are two things in Beijing most people have done when they were young. One is to fight into the tail.
Okay, you can share this video and you can edit from here. Also, if you want to download, you can download from here. Click on the download and log in the site and video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.